everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I wanted to share some cards that I made, and I'm super excited about them. So Valentine's Day is coming, and if y'all need to make some cards, these are really super awesome cards. They're really quick, really easy, and I used up a lot of my scraps. So I had a very old, well, not very old, it was like 3 years old, Authentique collection called Beloved in my stash, and I didn't have very many pieces left, so I was able to use a lot of scraps and some cardstock scraps that I had, and I made these cards. Now, I want to share with you a shopping haul that I did just a couple days ago, and I got these waffle flower shaker covers, and they make the like the easiest shaker you ever want to make, and so I was kind of playing with those too, trying to use up my scraps. So I did get this through Country Craft Creations. This one is for a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card, and it covers a piece of cardstock that's 4 by 5 1/4, and it was really fun to use. So I used a couple of these trying to play with those, and let me show you what I did. I'm going to put Kim's card tutorial linked down below, and then I'll also put a link for these. These were really fun. So let me show you what I did with this first, and then I'll show you what I did with Kim's cards, and they're really cute. So again, I used up some scraps, and I just wanted to share with you what I made. So the first one, so I made the shaker, and it's just really easy because these just have tabs and they just wrap around your cardstock, and before you fill, or before you do the last tab on the back side of your cardstock, you fill it with your shaker material. So on this one here, I had these great little shaker sequin bits that say love, they're little hearts, and then I cut out little pieces from the paper collection that say kiss and hug in here, and it was perfect with this piece that I put right on top of the actual shaker piece. And look how cute that turned out. The inside here, I used a piece of the die cuts that come with the paper collection, and I just did it so that it kind of pops out, and it says love is not what you say, love is what you do. I just thought that was really cute, and it was super easy. I mean, like, this took me less than 5 minutes, and I made a really cute Valentine's Day card. I just love how that turned out. Used up my scraps. The other shaker card I did, I had these shaker sequin bits that were all hearts, and I used this little teeny tiny die cut piece. It says the best thing to hold on to is each other. Put that on the front, so that's on the top. All the shaker bits are underneath, and the beautiful little black and white rose pieces behind there. I just think that's really nice. I also used a piece from the die cut that came with that collection. It said, if I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk in my garden forever. Alfred Tennyson. And it was really super simple to create a little card with that. So I like this. Again, these were 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cards. And then these cards were designed by Kim Rannells, and she did a tutorial, and I watched it, and I was like, I'm totally making some cards out of this. So I want to share with you what she did. So she did 4 different kinds of cards. I did 2 of each one. So this one here, really cute, used the 4 by 3 or 3 by 4 cut aparts, and then just, went through my stash. I had some cardstock that I wanted to use up, and use up the bits of the pattern paper, and it just is really pretty. So the other one, I made 2 of each one. So here's this one. Again, I used one of the journaling cards on the front. On this one, I added a little tiny journaling card because I had 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 of this particular paper, so I kind of combined everything and then used that. But you see how that is covered up by the card on the top. It's just really cute. I love how these turned out. The next type of card she has is this one, and it has 2 openings, so it opens up like this, and then it opens up like this, and just really easy and fun to put together, and again, using up scraps. So this was using one of the 3 by 4 cards, and then here's the other version that I made. And when you open this one up, I used one of the ephemera pieces, the die cuts that come with the collection, and I just put it so that it folds with the page. And I thought that was really fun to do. And then you just close it like that. It's really gorgeous, and it was so easy to make, you guys. This particular card, I love this one. It also holds a gift card, so it's kind of awesome in that. So it opens up, and here's where you put your little gift card in, And I just, again, used up my scraps, tried to use up the journaling cards, and then you open it up, and then I used one of the little ephemera die cut pieces that come with the collection. So there's that one here, and then this one is the same style. So again, another little pocket here, and then, I can't open my card, a little ephemera piece inside. So I thought that was really cute. And then the last one that we did, or that she did, is an easel card. So this goes up like so. All right, really cute. I bumped this up with a little bit of foam tape, and it's just beautiful. And then you can always write a sentiment up in here when you send your card. So we have that one, and then I made this one, and this one had a nice ephemera piece that I put on the front of that. And then I love you. Isn't that great? I love how these turned out. So I will link her tutorial. I just think they're really awesome. So Kim Rannells from Country Craft Creations, she's one of our designers and she's amazing. And I made these beautiful Valentine's Day cards with some scraps that I had. Just love them. And then I made the shaker cards as well using the waffle flower shaker covers that you can get from Country Craft Creations. So Country Craft Creations does have some great Valentine's papers. Cupid's heart, which I need to order because I don't have it and I really need it, is amazing for Valentine's Day. So shipping is super fast, so if you go, you're going to get it within a couple days. You'll have plenty of time to make some Valentine's Day cards. So check it out, Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Check out Kim's tutorial for these beautiful 4 different styles of cards that are super easy and quick to put together. And I will be back soon with more tutorials and shares for you. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.